First one, process manufacturing. Let's dive into the fascinating world of process manufacturing, where chemistry meets consistency and products come to life through precision and formulas. In process manufacturing, products are made by combining ingredients or raw materials. Once mixed, these components can't be separated, much like making a cake or brewing coffee. Imagine creating a fizzy drink or a tube of toothpaste. You don't just unmix them if something goes wrong, do you? That's the magic and the challenge of this type of manufacturing. Process manufacturing is continuous or done in batches depending on demand. It's often used for pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and food products like canned soups or soft drinks. It thrives on precision, consistency, and strict quality control. The aim? Delivering the same high-quality product every time, whether it's 10,000 litres of shampoo or a few thousand cans of soda. But let's be honest, process manufacturing isn't all bubbles and froth. One of the biggest challenges is maintaining quality across large-scale production. Even a slight variation in temperature or a wrong ingredient measurement can throw off the entire batch. And then there's the issue of equipment failure. A clogged pipe or a malfunctioning sensor can halt production faster than you can say oops. Take the production of soft drinks. Each batch needs exact carbonation levels and a perfect balance of sweetness. Too much fizz? Disaster. Not enough fizz? Boring. Or pharmaceuticals. Like making aspirin, every pill must have the same dosage, texture, and look to ensure safety and effectiveness. Despite the challenges, process manufacturing is the backbone of countless industries, bringing the products we rely on every day to life. With the right systems, precision tools, and a dedicated team, the magic of mixing the perfect formula becomes a reality.